Hello YouTube. Quick idea I wanted to share. I have this scope set up and I've been playing around with it, trying to diagnose this Onkyo receiver. And I've been poking at some of what I'm pretty sure are voltage regulators or AC to DC converters or something. Anyway, I had cause to want a hands-free solution for a scope probe. And, I mean, you can kind of see what's already there. But there's a lot of different solutions out there. Adam Savage did some really cool stuff for his lighting setup and his camera mount with lock line. And I have bulk lock line that I randomly got at a really good deal on eBay, I don't know, a year ago. So I had that in stock, and I was looking for a way to make that work. And then I found out about this other product called the Wimberley Clamp. It was originally designed for nature photography, and there's a few different versions of it. Seeing the thing explains the thing. It's like clamp onto something big and then use that to clamp something small and hold it in place, and that would work. And there's various other solutions. Some don't have moving parts and are basically a non-moving shape like this, where you just have it like here, and it has a little thing to hold the probe tip right there, and it would just use the weight to hold it down on wherever. But all the solutions out there are kind of pricey, even the cheapy ones. And I realized I have these Nite-Ize Gear Ties that you can twist into whatever shape, and I mean, it's not the best, but it is working. Let's see if tighten that up a little bit. I mean, it is holding it right on the part that I'm probing. Again, it's not perfect. You have to kind of set up tension. That, or you could take some clamps and like clamp this over here and clamp one of those over here. But I thought I would share this as just a quick, easy, cheap little idea for very accessibly holding your scope probes in place and not having to futz around with expensive crap. I probably still do want a solution with like a magnetic base and a grabber for lock line because that looks really cool. But yeah, that works really well. So I thought I'd share. Alright, see you guys.